Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Let's see where Nifty will head on Monday, whether the selling will continue or the profit booking will enter into the markets. Friends, if you look into the Nifty chart, this is the order flow chart and these are the 5 minutes rotation. And from Monday, I'll be doing the analysis with the help of the market profile as well. And this will be a video where I'll be analyzing with the help of the order flow chart. As you can notice, there was very much of a single prints here, not much of an activity which took place, and there was a quick sell-off into the markets. As you can notice, very much like the seller was dominating the market and he was selling everything into the market. Even though there was a buyer, he didn't let the buyers to enter into the market, and it was very much clear like these are the flow days and it is a trending days. Please understand one thing, there are two different days. One is called as a trending days and other one is of a flow driven days. I'll come with that in a separate video in coming days. First, if we see, like, it was very much a clearly a trending day. As closing of this candle, we would have entered our position somewhere here and put our stop loss here, like 20 or 30 points of an index stop loss, and an option stop loss will be somewhere like 10 points or 15 points, and you would have had a ride of 250 or 300 270 points of a ride. It was a very much flow day, and nothing much to say, like the sellers were aggressive. As you can notice, like the sellers are aggressive here at these levels, at each and every downward side. The seller was forcing the prices to keep the price on the lower side. As you can notice, a little bit of a consolidation, and as the consolidation finished, the seller started to initiate again. After like 10:30 and 11 o'clock, there was a little bit of a consolidation in the market. As the consolidation went, like they let the buyers to buy at higher prices, they took the prices little bit higher, and after 2 o'clock and 2:15, the initiative came here. You can notice a little bit of an accumulation here, and the initiative came again, the selling took place. As you can notice, Nifty closed somewhere like 17,000 at a round figure levels, and the seller started to sell at lower prices. He sold into the market. This is not a spoofing, this is the real orders which has been sold into the market. The seller sold, and a little bit of a profit booking by the institutions, not the institutions, I wouldn't say like institutions, this is a small profit booking from the HNI and retail traders. Let's see the structural format. As close to close basis, there was a net negative delta into the market. That means the sellers are very much aggressive and they sold everything, whatever they got, they sold into the markets. Into the markets, what do I mean into the markets? Into the markets is like they are selling at 17,050, 17,040, 17,030, 17,020, 17,010, 17,000. They are selling each and every price points. So these price points are known as into the markets. Into the markets, they are selling into the markets. They are not selling at certain price points, like they are selling only the 1750, 17,050, 17,040. No, it's not working. They are selling at each and every price points. So net to net, the closing was a net negative delta. Let's see the structural format and how can we play on Monday. So this is a daily chart where you can notice one thing. The spot of a bank Nifty closed at 16,985, and something interesting which I've noticed here is, like, as you can see, 1 and 2 and third day there is a profit booking. Now 1 and 2, so we might expect a little bit of a profit booking, or first a sell off and then a profit booking. I wouldn't say like 17,000 will be a key support anymore, because the 17,000 has been broken now. They even sold into the 17,000, so it might retest at 16,800 and little bit of a profit booking, and market might even go at a sideways. You can notice here 1, 2 sell off, and third is a profit booking. So 1 and 2, and this is a profit booking. So I prefer, like, there will be a quick sell off into the markets, and the market might incrementally bounce, and it might retest a 17,000 levels. So what strategy we need to apply? As soon as the market opens flat or little bit of a gap up is like 20-30 points, not more than that. If it opens a large gap up of 200 or 17,300, then we'll just wait for the price action. Is the market is selling, pulling back, when it is getting selling, when it has been when it is crossing this price point, then we'll initiate our position here and we'll put our stop loss somewhere here. If the markets open flat, so as soon as the market opens flat, we'll enter, we'll take our position and we'll play up until 16,800, and once the 16,800 comes, we'll book our profits and we'll see what the reversal is happening. The reversal should be like somewhat the market sold into, and again sell off, and market goes deep, and when it comes up and it starts to rise slowly and gradually, and little bit of a when there is a pullback, and when it is crossing these levels, then we can enter for a long and can play up until 17,000 levels. Overall the trend is down. The long-term trend is really down. As you can notice, the selling is coming from the higher levels. Usually the selling and volatility comes from the higher levels, 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 and higher levels. You don't see any kind of volatility when the market is going upside, because when the market is going at the upside, someone will be selling, but the buyer is buying very passively. But when the market is coming on the downside, it will be very aggressive, because no one is buying. The people one who got shorted the market, they have to buy the market. There will be incremental pullbacks and market comes down, incremental pullbacks and market comes down. So this kind of a price action you can see when there is a flow in the market. Well, our strategy should be like very simple. As the markets opens flat, we'll initiate a selling position and we'll book our profits up until 16,800. Well, I'll be doing more analysis videos of weekly and as well as monthly analysis, mostly like weekly analysis, more fundamental, less technicals, and I'll be coming like why the markets are crashing and what is the reason behind for the markets are crashing. Please stay tuned at this channel and please do subscribe the channel. If you really like our channel, please do share to your friends and press the bell icon button. Thank you so much.